Hello, aspiring scientists and curious minds. Welcome to the very first episode of our Science Concept series. In this series, we'll dive into one fascinating scientific concept per episode, breaking it down into bite-sized, easy-to-understand pieces. Our goal is to make complex scientific ideas accessible and enjoyable for everyone, no matter your background. And for our very first episode, we're exploring a truly out-of-this-world idea, the Goldilocks Zone. Have you ever heard of the Goldilocks Zone? It sounds like something from a fairy tale, right? Well, it is, but it also happens to be a crucial concept in astronomy and the search for life beyond Earth. So what exactly is the Goldilocks Zone? Simply put, it's the region around a star where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. This zone is also known as the habitable zone. And why is liquid water so important? Because, as far as we know, liquid water is absolutely essential for life to thrive. The name Goldilocks Zone comes from the classic fairy tale Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Remember how Goldilocks found the porridge, chair, and bed that were just right? It's the same idea here. A planet needs to be just right, not too hot and not too cold, for liquid water to exist stably on its surface. And that's why it's so important for life as we know it. If a planet is too close to its star, the water would boil away into vapor. If it's too far, the water would freeze solid. Only in the Goldilocks zone is the temperature just right for water to remain in its liquid state. The size and location of a star's Goldilocks zone depend on the star's heat and luminosity. Hotter stars have larger, more distant Goldilocks zones, while cooler stars have smaller, closer ones. Let's look at our own solar system. Our sun is the star, and Earth is perfectly situated within its Goldilocks zone. This perfect placement is why Earth has vast oceans, rivers, and lakes, allowing life to flourish in countless forms. Now, consider our neighbors. Venus is too close to the Sun, making its surface a scorching inferno where any water would evaporate instantly. Mars, on the other hand, is too far, leading to a frozen, arid landscape. The concept of the Goldilocks zone is incredibly important when astronomers are searching for exoplanets, planets outside our solar system that might harbor life. When they discover an exoplanet, one of the first things they try to determine is whether it orbits its star within the Goldilocks zone. This is a primary indicator of potential habitability. Thanks to powerful telescopes like the Kepler Space Telescope and the James Webb Space Telescope, we've already discovered thousands of exoplanets, and many are indeed located within their star's Goldilocks zones. So the Goldilocks zone reminds us just how delicate the balance is for life to exist in the universe. It's a cosmic sweet spot, a region where everything comes together perfectly to allow for the possibility of life. That's all for episode 1 of the Science Concept series. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Goldilocks Zone. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next fascinating science fact. See you next time.